Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. It's birthday time and I'm kind of excited. So we got all kinds of great dishes on the go and these are some party ideas for you. So let's get started here. First off, what we have are some baked ground beef spring rolls. These are absolutely delicious and you know they're on our channel, so I'll just put a link below. But I'm gonna eat a lot of these. And I have to mention too, these are always a hit at a party. Secondly, what we have is some fried rice, and again, these are on the channel, so I'll put a link to these. Yummy, yummy, yummy. After that, some pasta sauce, and this is scrumptious delicious. You gotta try this. And like I said with all the other things, I'll put a link below. Next up, one of our favorites is beef ribs and tomato sauce, or beef caldereta as it's called in Asia or the Philippines, but absolutely great. So I can hardly wait to dig into this. Our smashed potatoes, which we did a recipe the other day, and well, what can I say? These are so good too. Like I said in the video, these are a great substitute for mashed potatoes or boiled potatoes, because you know, I just get sick of the same old thing time after time. And last but not least, for my party, a dish I simply love is chicken Marsala. This is fabulous. And it's one you gotta try. Okay guys, the big question for you is, which dish would you prefer for your party? They're all yummy, super delicious, but you gotta try them all. So let us know in the comments section below. So anyway guys, thanks for all the birthday wishes. Had a great birthday. Even went out to the bar and had some fun. And keep subscribing because we have just about 500,000 subscribers. And once we hit that 500,000 mark, we're going to do a giveaway. Like, it won't be a car, but it'll be something good. So stick with us, we'll see. So thanks for watching and see you next time.